Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So we all want to know what the another person has deleted or what another person has sent to us, but we were unable to see it. So we may get curious to know, to know what was the deleted message. So in order to see deleted messages on WhatsApp, what you're gonna do is go to your Play Store application, and then when you are inside the Play Store application, go ahead in your search box and then search for WAMR application. So this is the application. As you can see this, install it on your device and connect it to WhatsApp. Once it's done, you will be easily able to see the deleted messages on WhatsApp. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.